Hi everyone. So today I'm making a sweet potato roll, and it's like coated by caramel. So the first thing I did was, again, the sweet potato. I boiled it using low heat to kind of like cook it a bit, and then once it's done, it's kind of like almost cooked. I kind of like sliced it and kind of put it in a wrap, and then kind of like secure it using water. At first, I was thinking about using an egg, but I think the water did the job anyways. Because like if I use egg, that's like I used last time for my lumpia, it kind of like make a mess of it. Again, it's kind of like you can see like yellow tracks. But water, as long as it was able to stick and kind of like merge together, then it should be fine because you're gonna fry it anyways. So that's what I did. Yeah, so this is my first time, doing this one because the usual Turon would be using a banana, like the big size Saba banana. It's not the regular ripe banana, but like the one you can actually fry and actually has like it's not like super smooth that it's mushy. It's just hard enough to actually like um, have like a texture to it that it's not like smooth or mushy. All right, so yeah. All right, so it's gonna be a fry time. So I'm using a pan and then like a decent low amount of a decent like low amount of vegetable oil, because if I deep fry the roll, the sealed edges might get ripped off because like the bubbles like can break the wrapper and it's not gonna look fancy once it's cooked. And I know some people use air fryer. I don't have that, like that's why I'm doing the conventional way of just frying it and kind of like doing it slow, because again caramel also burns fast. So again, you usually just like use, like, for me I use brown sugar, again not the regular white sugar. So at first, my first batch will be with three rolls. If it's cooked, the sugar doesn't stick as much, but later on, once I do my last batch of like sweet potato rolls, you can see that the caramel start to like actually stick to the or coat the wrapper. All right, so I'm here doing my last batch, I think. So you can see in the as I uh, do it, like the caramel is actually sticking in it. And I was worried at first that like it's gonna be a burnt caramel, because last time I think I set the flame or the heat too high, and like the sugar kind of like started to like go dark and kind of like got burned. So you don't want to eat like a burnt sugar, it's not good, right? So yeah, so this is my last batch. All right, it's looking good so far. I'm almost done. This is my last two over here. um, it looks really good though, and uh, the wrap edges didn't really come out. It still remain intact. And yeah, so this is the final product. I mean, you can add some syrup to it, or ice cream, or cool drink smoothie, and looks good, right? But I mean, you don't want to overindulge yourself this one, but sometimes you have to eat something.